Hey there, furnace owners. If you're dealing with the dreaded E7 error code on your Bosch furnace, especially the 2025 models, don't panic. We're here to break it down step by step. I'm your guide to getting things back on track quickly and safely. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is the E7 error code? In Bosch furnaces, E7 typically signals an issue with the ignition system or flame detection. This could mean your furnace is struggling to light up or maintain a flame, leaving you in the cold. Common causes include a dirty flame sensor, problems with the gas supply, a faulty igniter, or even electrical issues. If you've noticed your furnace clicking but not heating, or if it's shutting down unexpectedly, this code is your clue to investigate. Now, before you start troubleshooting, safety first. Always turn off the power to your furnace at the circuit breaker to avoid any risks. Once that's done, let's walk through some simple steps. Start by checking your gas supply. Make sure the valve is fully open and there's no leak. Next, inspect the flame sensor for any buildup of soot or dirt. You can gently clean it with a fine emery cloth. If you're comfortable, reset the furnace by turning it off for a few minutes and then back on. Remember, these are basic fixes. If the problem persists, it might indicate a deeper issue like a bad control board or wiring problem. If you're not handy with tools, it's time to call in a professional HVAC technician. They can diagnose and repair the issue without causing more damage. Regular maintenance can prevent these errors, so consider scheduling an annual checkup for your Bosch unit. There you have it, your quick guide to tackling the E7 error code. I hope this helps you get your home cozy again. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more HVAC tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay warm, everyone.